Just saw something moving. Okay, I'm not alone, but Jesus is with me walking with my path. Stop texting me, Discord. I post this on my YouTube channel actually, because there is a lot of nature over here. We used to have beavers. Don't know what happened to them. So dark over here. I know some people don't like the dark, but some people do. They get afraid from it, but I don't live in fear. No, I just don't live in fear. It gets darker and darker after the sun goes up. After the sun. There's a birdie. Bye, birdie. I wonder what happened to all the beavers. There used to be beavers. There's a path that goes that way. It's just that this place gives me the creeps a lot, but it's okay. No ghosts or no nothing, no monsters, no anything. But there's tons of wild animals that can attack me, but I don't live in fear. Just don't. Feels like a squirrel just attacked it here. Thought it was a bird. It's a plant. Well, I hope you guys like this YouTube video. I'll post it when I get home. It's I don't know what time it is. I don't have a watch or me or anything. I wish I did, but I don't have the clock right. But Saturday, I'll be going zip lining in the outdoors. Yeah, just for fun. Get some stuff going. Get some likes going. Yeah, so see you guys Saturday. I'll be posting videos probably starting this week. Starting back up, doing my YouTube videos. Okay, I was like, this is where the beavers like to dig, and they come out at night. I don't know what happened to them, but their house used to be like over here by these trees and everything, and they left, so I don't know what happened to them. Where's the sun? So going through woods again. This is just a big huge lake. Just goes around to the end. Yeah, it does. So hopefully you guys like this video. Like, subscribe, and that bell. If you can't, then just restart it. Then I know there's an issue going on YouTube right now, and it's kind of a pain in the neck, but it's like, oh, I gotta restart it. Man. So, yeah. One time I found a crab. It smells like dead fish over here. Feels like an animal got to one before. That's just a ticking bug. Oh, guys, this is our lake. From the other side of the airport. I'll see you guys later. Bye. See you Saturday. Oh, and don't forget, if I get hurt, I probably will, but it's okay. I'll see you guys later. Bye.